Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a review for you on this lithium grinder tool here that my wife actually likes to use his nails. And what this does is he's got the different kind of growing nails, and clipping them is sometimes risky with dogs because you don't know where that internal part is that can send shooting pain for them and those nerves. So let's go ahead and show you the front here. So you've got a bunch of different units here. You've got everything from, you know, sanding stones to like polishing pads. So if you're somebody that does fine work, my grandma growing up used to use one of these for dolls, and she would do all kinds of stuff with this. So it does give you a tool for it as well, kind of a little you know, wrench, whatever it may be, brush, and then they have little Dremel tools on here. So depending on whatever you need to use it for, like I mentioned, they have the use case, I feel like, for everything. Woodworking, if you're going to do woodworking, you can do that kind of stuff. But let's go ahead and show you some other things in here. You've got the unit itself, which looks really, really nice. It's very durable. It does have some weight to it, which makes me feel like it's not some cheap thing that's going to break easily on me. Now, you throw everything on here, and it does have a release and lock button on there so the units are not popping off on their own. There's also 5 different power settings, and let's go ahead and show you 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And 5, I mean, has some power. So I like these units strictly for animal use as well. So having a Dremel like this is absolutely awesome because you can sit there and sand their toenails down. It's completely safe, completely comfortable for them, and it is a nice way of doing things. So all in all, I love the product already. It does give you some other polishing pads on there, nice little carrying cup, as well as some more grinding tools. So if you need to do kind of like metal work or anything like that, it does have that on there, as well as some little sanding pads. So you can even do some light sanding if you need to fine tune and sand something small, piece of wood, whatever it may be, a chain, you do have that. But let's go ahead and get some attachments on this and show you how it works. Okay guys, so this is what I was talking about earlier. We absolutely love it just for our dog alone. I mean, there's so many use cases. Again, hands down, absolutely love it. If you're looking for a good quality product, this works and works well.